Hi everyone, Rainey here with Why Am I Green? And the reason for this video is I had something pretty profound happen to me last night. Just before going to bed, I was watching some Facebook videos, and one of them was about Stephen Hawkings. And as you all know by now, Stephen Hawkings passed away last week. And he was a great man. One of my hobbies, Raluca and I both, is quantum physics. So we followed him for a while. We love his teachings. I love a lot of his quotes. But anyways, at the end of his video, what he said was, as long as there's life, there's a chance. That got me thinking. I mean, there's a lot of people that don't live their life. There's a lot of people that think, oh, it's over. We're just going to go ahead and let things go, okay? And not just with people, with animals, and even with plants, okay? We figure, it's not going to make it. But as long as there's life, there's a chance. That really struck home. Now, here's the other half of the story. As I was getting ready for bed, I walked by a full tray that I had planted 2 weeks earlier of Roma tomatoes. Now, the problem is I wasn't paying attention to them. It's early in the season. Right now, outdoors, there's snow on the ground, okay? It's late March, so it's still kind of early to be planting. So I just wasn't paying attention to these plants, and as soon as they sprouted, I should have put them in the sunlight, but I didn't. So to make a long story short, the Roma tomatoes got to be about this tall. I'll show them to you. And they became really leggy, started falling down, and I figured, they're not going to make it. So I planted a replacement tray, and I figured I would just let these things go. So I've had them for a couple days in the corner, and it's kind of like semi-dark. So I figured I'll let them go, and I'll just use the soil for something else. But after hearing that quote, as long as there's life, there's a chance, I was thinking, these things are still alive. There is still a chance that they're going to make it. So right away I grabbed the tray and I sprayed them with a light mist of water to get them wet again, and I put them up front of the window so as soon as the sun came up in the morning they'd get their morning sun, and I'm going to do everything I can to try to revive them. So I'll let you know how things go, but this was, I guess you could say, a moving thing for me. Not only for myself, when I was listening to his quotes, okay, they were resonating to me, but for these plants. They're living things. They're things that can go on and give us food. So I'm going to plant them. We're going to see how many tomatoes we get. And if we get any tomatoes, I'm going to save the seeds. This is a commitment that I've made. I'm going to save the seeds from these tomatoes and use them the next year and continue to use them over and over. In fact, I'm going to call them my Hawkins Roma tomatoes. So I'll keep you posted, let you know how they do. Hi everyone, this is 4 days later. So what I did is I took some time digging. I separated the good ones, I dug them and buried these all the way to the bottom so they can grow new roots. So it looks like we are going to have some Roma tomatoes that are going to make it through this group. Matter of fact, from what I see, there's about, I'd say altogether about 25 of them. Or 20, I haven't counted today. So nature takes care of itself, and this is proof of it. Looks like we're going to have some great Roma tomatoes from this. So I'll keep you posted. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'd like to thank Stephen Hawkings for all the great things, the great teachings he left. You will be missed. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.